Hello and welcome back to the Elets World Fintech Summit. And today I have with me Mr. Anil Sinha, who is the Chief Technology Officer at Fibe. So, welcome to the summit, sir.
Thank you.
So, starting with the first question, how has been the summit so far for you? What are your key takeaways?
I think it's quite good. We got a very different set of people to meet with from different verticals, even in the BFSI sector, from banks to fintechs to other security. So, and we looked at least I got to know a couple of more things about, especially in the security domain, which was very, very interesting. We are part of a roundtable discussion where we talked about JAMP, especially for a security of high profile people. And generally, I was just outside the room. I was talking about secure communication. So all these things are a very, very good problem to solve, and I think good to see that lot of solution happening all across.
Okay. So, as a leader, how does it feel like to engage with such a diverse audience?
It's very, very interesting. One is that you get to see others' perspective, what type of problem, the challenges other people are seeing, and what are the potential solution people are working on. This gives us help us understand the brainstorming, getting more connect is build our network so that we also have more to discuss upon. So it's very, very interesting, more from a personal side as well, to know more about things and people.
Okay. So, UPI, it processed like over 14 billion transactions in March. So, how do you see it? Like, how do you see UPI evolving further? Like, what are the next big steps we can expect?
So, I think UPI definitely is growing multifold, and it will continue to grow. Along with UPI,
Indeed.
the RuPay penetration will grow,
Yes.
since RuPay is now getting added to UPI, and that's why we have also launched RuPay card along with the Axis Bank. So there are multiple fold in that, not just in the UPI. If we talk about the next decadal opportunity which government is working on, probably tokenization of land and all these things, that will bring the entire digital ecosystem together and will create a lot more opportunity.
Okay. So, wrapping up the conversation on a quick rapid fire round. So, what is fintech in one word for you?
Basically, fintech is enabling financial services to the end user in a very seamless and secure manner.
Okay. The best advice you received as a leader?
Be patient, takes time, before making a decision, and the more do a get all the data, but take your judgment.
Yeah. Okay. Then a fintech founder you admire?
I admire Mr. Nandan Nilekani, who actually created the entire India stack. So that is something I believe that he has a great vision, and that's how every time we coming with something which is very, very new and transforming the entire country. If you talk about fintech, one of the best fintech is the government itself. For example, UPI or India stack, the KYC stack, all they have created, and that is why the entire fintech ecosystem is growing in India.
Truly said that. So, any advice that you would like to give to our audience? Any message?
Always look for opportunity to where the difference you can create. If you're creating something, you're building something new, look for what is the problem you're solving. Have a longer term vision for solving a problem for the society. While starting company should not have a money as your primary criteria. They are always side product. If you solve a real problem, everything else will align.
True. Thank you so much for joining us, and it was such an inspiring words to hear from you. So thank you so much for such an enlightening conversation.
Thank you for having me.